Welcome to our channel. Many golfers lack time for extensive practice but still want to improve. These efficient strategies maximize limited practice opportunities. Step 1. Prioritize short game practice. Most scoring improvement comes from 100 yards and in. If you have only 30 minutes, spend it chipping and putting. Step 2. Practice with purpose and specific goals. Quality beats quantity. 30 minutes of focused, deliberate practice exceeds 2 hours of mindless ball hitting. Step 3. Use your time at home productively. Put on carpet, practice your grip, work on flexibility, and make practice swings. These activities require minimal time and space. Step 4. Focus on one swing key per session. Trying to fix everything simultaneously produces confusion. Pick one specific element and work exclusively on that. Step 5. Play more rather than practicing more when time is limited. Playing builds course management skills, mental toughness, and maintains feel better than sporadic range sessions. Step 6. Warm up efficiently before rounds. If arriving minutes before your tee time, hit just enough shots to loosen up. Focus on tempo rather than swing mechanics. Step 7. Watch instructional content during downtime. Learn concepts and drills you can implement during your limited practice windows. Step 8. Accept that improvement will be gradual. Manage expectations appropriately. Small, consistent effort compounds over time even with limited practice. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.